Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Call the toll-free number or visit the issuer site to check activation and balance and confirm the exact activation code. Once done, make sure the merchant has the right billing address and name. Mismatches often trigger declines. If the card shows 0 or pending activation, do not retry a purchase yet, wait for confirmation. These steps prevent repeated declines and lockouts, and they set up the correct conditions for the next actions. You now perform the split payment technique. First, charge the exact available balance on the vanilla card so the processor accepts a known amount. Then, immediately use a second payment method for the remaining cost, debit, credit, or another prepaid. Make sure to select or request split tender at checkout. Many systems decline if you try to overcharge a single prepaid card. Once the first transaction clears, the secondary payment completes the sale, avoiding authorization errors caused by insufficient. You finish by resolving lingering errors. If declines continue, call the card issuer while the merchant stays on the line to request manual authorization or to release a held authorization. Make sure to have the card number, PIN if applicable, and transaction time ready. This speeds troubleshooting. If a hold exists, ask for a reversal so funds free up. Lastly, save receipts and any authorization codes for disputes. They prove your attempt and can force a corrective action if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.